In the Trane controls business, we equip our building owners and operators with the best information they can to operate effectively, reliably, and efficiently, and to meet the greater mission. As digital controls got more embedded in the equipment, operators who used to turn wrenches now needed to turn on PCs, and the integration of mechanical equipment and the control systems that control them became more and more an embedded reality.
If I'm a building operator and I have a web mobile device, I can check any type of system wherever I am, whether I'm at a meeting at a different client's site, whether I'm at that baseball game and I get a call or an emergency. I can make a change in that building's operation using this mobile device. And so I think about that a lot too when I think about our controls and the importance of how that lifestyle device and what our web applications and our mobile applications can allow for our customers.
You look at your building on a web page just like you went to any other website. And so in the design of those web pages, we look at mobile devices and we say, is it touchscreen friendly? Does it scale to the size of the device well? And we design it for an iPad, an Android tablet, or a phone with an app.
You think about a building operator standing next to a unit control on an air handler and being able to use that tablet wirelessly as the service tool to look directly into that control. So the software we're showing you here is our Tracer ES Enterprise software. We use the same software package anywhere from a single building with multiple building management panels in it, all the way up to serving an enterprise customer with multiple buildings across the country. But the key here is to make it as easy and as usable as possible and customizable. So if he wants to see his chilled water system, he can hit one button, he can instantly see in 3D animated graphic which one of his chillers is running, are his pumps running. He can click on a piece of equipment like that piece of equipment right there. It will take him immediately to an actual 3D animated graphic of that and give him the information he needs. Is there airflow? What's the current set point? What's the current temperature? Is it occupied? What's the current position of the air valve? And if he needs to do an override, he can adjust set points. He can do a manual override from occupied to unoccupied. And he can do that all, and it's all within 3 layers of a screen for every piece of equipment throughout the building.
Dashboards are valuable because they transmit information instantly. They help the operator manage and respond and analyze and troubleshoot and really get that snapshot view at how that system is performing and the savings it's delivering over time.
We started selling wireless zone sensors in 2006. And at the end of last year, we took that technology and we extended it farther to actually embrace the concept of wireless communications. And using a device like this is a small wireless receiver. We put one of these on every one of our unit controls, like our VAV boxes, our Tracer SC system. It's responsible for actually replacing the wire and managing the communications between the building management system and the unit controls, and also between the unit control and the zone sensor. Our field technicians tell us that the hardest service call they make and the most timely and expensive service call they make is trying to troubleshoot intermittent communications on a control system where we're having communication problems between devices. And wireless virtually eliminates all of those problems. And then lastly here, from a life cycle perspective, BOMA tells us that probably half the commercial buildings in the United States actually go through churn at least once a year. And obviously, wireless controls on VAV boxes and wireless zone sensors in the space make that a much easier process.
We believe a great system control concept can deliver 20 to 30% more energy efficiency than traditional standard practices.